Hi guys, my name is Andrei and today I'm gonna present a project of mine. I'm gonna do a game in Godot engine. It's my first game. I start using a tutorial that I found on internet and I like. You can choose anything you want. They have 3D projects, tutorials, 2D platforms, 2D games, loads of tutorials. So I choose one. It's a 2D platform and I start to modify the player at the moment, the background a little bit, the levels, but this is just the first days of this game, so don't expect too much from it, but I just want you to show that it's working. So yeah, I'm proud of that. Okay, let's see what this game looks like. There we go. So we have the starting point. Maybe I'm gonna do some option things with screen resolution. I don't know. This is just some of my ideas. So yeah, let's start. Okay, this is just with the buttons. The game, it's a 2D platform. Okay, let's try again. See, it's just moving up and down, jump. You can kill the enemy jumping on them. I don't have lasers of stuff, so don't expect too much. Like I said, I'm just in the phase of modifying things and programming, and yeah. Okay, let's kill this guy. Bam. This are the coins. They give you points. Even if you kill the monsters, they're giving you points. So like I said, at the moment I modify just the player, a small robot. I'm gonna do things with space and robots, like you see in the background. It's a space image. The monster as well, I'm gonna do them to be like small robots. The game itself is not very easy to play. I just, like you see, you have to have some skills, for this. Look. God, why is it not jumping? There you go. Oh, there you go. Yep. Yeah, they have some errors, but with the time I'm gonna modify them, like bugs. We call them in the games. But with the time I'm gonna modify and learn how to do that. And yeah, this is my first level. To the second one. I had a problem here when I jumped from here on this enemy here. Always I died, and I couldn't. I struggled for hours to modify and see what's wrong with it. And now it's working fine. Like I said, you just study, learn how to do these things, and in the end you're gonna sort out everything. So the only thing is not to give up. This is all you need to do. If you want to do a game like I'm trying to do. So yeah, never give up, study, research, tutorials everywhere. At the moment my game has just 2 levels. Not too many monsters because it's just in the phase of development. But I'm pretty proud of myself because it's working, and when I try to do something, at the end I succeeded and I feel nice. So yeah, this is the second level and the last one. But I'm gonna do more movies about this game, and I'm gonna watch myself the progress of this game. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome. Yeah. So yeah. He has a scoreboard. If you want to play again, just press the button. If you want to quit as well. So, this is it. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more episodes about this game progress, and see you in the next one then. Bye.